Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to change font on iPhone. So to do this process, first you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings. And then now over here guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the general. And then over here on the general tab, go for the fonts. And here, as you can see, you will have a system fonts at the top and should be able to change the font style based on your preferences over here. And now you could scroll down and you could explore different fonts, and now you could utilize the search bar at the top as well. And you will have my fonts as well over here, which you can download apps that install fonts from the App Store. So select Open App Store, and pretty much you could just simply search for the iPhone fonts, and you should be able to see multiple applications that have this option. And pretty much those are the two methods. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.